Dear friends, I'm back with another machine on the Vulnhub. It has been a bit long. I didn't make the video with the Vulnhub machines. Anyway, I'll come back for the Vulnhub. Yeah, this is the machine, DriftingBlues 6. And I also add the link into the description section below so that you can download it. Yeah, in this episode, I'd like to showcase some techniques like directory enumeration with GoBuster, and also how to look for the exploit. In this case, yeah, Python exploit. You know, not all exploits are written correctly. Yeah, so we need to modify when necessary. And also, I'd like to demonstrate how to make local privilege escalation. So, without further ado, let's just get started. Of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a like below. You are greatly appreciated. So now we can switch over to the Kali Linux. First, we need to discover the IP address of the target. And we can use the net discover. The IP address is 254. Next, we can use the map to do the scanning, the port scanning, of course, to save time. I've already done that earlier. We can cut the result of this scanning. As you can see, there is just only one open port, which is 80, running HTTP service, and also the version information, which is Apache 2. And also the logbox file reveals there is one disallowed entry. Yeah, this one. Later we can manually check on this directly. Okay, so what we are going to do next is to do the enumeration with the browser. Let's fire up our browser, our Firefox, and put the IP address of the target. Let's press enter. Yeah, DriftingBlues tag, please don't hack. Enough is enough, okay? And here is picture. Of course, we can download this picture locally and then use like a stack height, stack seek, some sort of image analysis tools to analyze the picture. However, we cannot get any interesting information. To save time, I will not do that. And also we can check the source code of this page. And we can scroll down. Yeah, there is one comment. Please check. Yeah, this GitHub. And instead, he and the army always hacking us. Of course, we need to sharpen our skills. So next we can check whether this site has robots file. It does have the user agent, and it is allowed. Of course, we need to access this directory manually. Yeah, we are prompted by the user login panel, and here we can know the target is using the text pattern CMS. Of course, we can try if we can use the admin and admin as a password to log in. Yeah, failed. Also, we can try to use the login bypass technique. For example, like that, and the login. Yeah, failed as well. So what can we do? Of course, you also can intercept the request and use the SQL map to test whether this page has SQL injection vulnerability. But before we do anything like that, we need to do the directory enumeration, because again, come back to the robots file. Here, it says, don't forget to add a zip extension to your directory enumeration or brute force. All right. Now we can use the GoBuster to do the directory enumeration. And yeah, we need to, don't forget to put the zip as option for the extension enumeration. Let's press enter. Yeah, we got some interesting directory like a DB. Of course, we can check on that. DB. However, we get I think this is the same page, what we have already seen in the home page, right? And now we go back. Yeah, we got the zip file. Of course, we can download this file. Zip. Yeah, download it. And of course, we can move. Yeah, maybe I can interrupt this directory enumeration. And we can move the spammer zip file to the current directory. Yeah, as you can see here. Next, we can unzip this file. However, we are required to supply the password. We don't have that yet. So what can we do next? We need to crack the password for this file, because from here we can know, yeah, this must be some credentials. So how to do it? We can use like John the Ripper or Hashcat, but of course the prerequisite to use the John the Ripper or Hashcat is to convert this zip file to hash value. However, for the zip file, there is another, I think, preferable way to crack, which is crack. Yeah, this one. I'd like to autocomplete this command. I think this would be much quicker and easier to use. We do not need to convert or make a conversion. Yeah, so I just hit enter. Yeah, we got the password. Now we can unzip this zip file, and we can copy the password. All right, now we can cut out this creds text file. Of course, this should be the username and password. We can copy the password, and then we can log in to the text pattern administrator portal mail, and let's put the password here, login. Don't save. But it's not working. Very weird. Mail. Maybe I need to confirm my username is correct. And the password. Login. Yeah. We have some warning. MK time. It's not safe to rely on the system's time zone settings, which is fine. I don't allow, the target to prompt you again. Here, we have already logged in as the administrator, and here we can know, the version of this CMS. So now I think we can use the, for example, like Google, to make research to see whether there is vulnerability for this version of CMS. However, there is another more convenient way, also a more preferable way to search exploit or vulnerability. We can use the search exploit utility, and the name of the application is text pattern. Yeah, there are several exploits available. However, because we have already retrieved the version of this text pattern CMS, which is this one. So I think also this is the authenticated exploit. So we can copy the path. I think this is relative path. We can make copy and use the M option. All right. Yeah, we have already got the exploit. Of course, this is Python script. And we can use the Vim editor to take a look at the code itself. And we can look at this code from the very beginning. Yeah, some information about the exploit itself. And import the beautiful soup. You know, this one is very powerful module to extract element or information from the web page. And random, disable SSL warning. But I think this is not necessary for this machine. Yeah, we need to, this is the usage. Yeah, we need to provide the URL and the username and password, which is fine. We have already got such information already. And log info, post. And there will, the URL we will provide is the target URL or base URL. And this URL need to be combined with this one and make post request to the target or to this address. Okay, now we can use or run this exploit. We can use Python 3, just follow the instruction by the exploit itself. And we just press enter. Yeah, the IP address of target is 254. Let's press enter. Yeah, attaching login. However, there is error. The traceback file in this line, 18 line, and soup find all. Of course, this is the beautiful soup module. And the function or method is find all. Find all script. Here, I think this is the JavaScript. And we need to, what we are looking for is the second one. And convert to a string. And then replace, this string to the now. Or to nothing. And then we'll select the part of the string. However, attribute error, long type object has no attribute to replace. It means that, this part is none, or the result is none, because a none object doesn't have attribute to replace. So maybe we need to modify the exploit. But before we do that, if we go back to the browser and check the source code here, there's several JavaScripts here. And I think this is the first one and the second one, or the second section of the JavaScript. And this one is what we are looking for, because here has this variable. Right, the tx. If we open up this exploit, let's go down. Maybe we need to scroll up. Yeah, as you can see, soup, and this will create the soup object or instance, and then use the find all method and replace, and this one will convert the string to the JSON data. So this, we can yeah, this would be more convenient to select or extract data from the JSON format data. And then, so this is the data or variable what we are interested in. And if we go back to the browser, this one is what we are looking for, right? The noun, yeah, this one, UID, yeah, this one. And we can, so how to do it? You know, this is the, so maybe the index is not right. If we go back to this Python code, yeah, maybe we need to modify the index from the 2 to 3. Let's try that and run this code again. Yeah, sending payload. It looks like it's working. We got the web shell of the target, and we can run command like ID. So next, you know, I don't like web shell very much. I'd like to spawn the to be, you know, more normal shell. How to do it? The first or the easiest way to spawn is to use the netcat. I think from my personal view, and we can check the netcat. Yeah, netcat is there on the target. So now we can, of course, we need to set up the listener first. And then navigate to our working directory. And then we can set up the listener. And then we can connect to our Kali Linux. And we need to execute bash, and the IP address of the Kali Linux should be this one, and the port number. Yeah, we need to use the same port number. Let's press enter. Yeah, we got or another shell, but this is still not very good. We can spawn the TTY session, import PTY module, PTY spawn, bin bash. All right, no such a file. Oh, sorry, Python. Sorry about my mistype. PTY spawn, bin bash. All right, now we need to do some local enumeration. After all, we need to elevate our privilege to the root user to finish this machine. And normal user, we can cut the password file. No, except root user and some sort of system users. There is no normal user. And also we can check the kernel version by uname, and also we can use like release command. Yeah, I think this version is a bit outdated. So possibly the target has vulnerability, I mean in the kernel. And to test that, we can upload the limpia shell script. And we can open up another tab, and we can copy the limpia shell script to current working directory. Now we need to upload this limpia shell script to the target. How to upload? Yeah, the easiest way to upload is set up the web server by Python. And now we go back to this shell, and then we can use the wget to download or upload from the perspective of the target limpias, and then we can make it executable, right? And then we can run this shell script. You know, this shell script limpias is so powerful. It will go through all possible misconfigurations, local privilege escalation vulnerabilities, many types of information which can lead us to the privilege escalation. And we can scroll up to the almost the top to see whether we can find out such interesting information or vector. Process information, cron job information. Here, give us the result of the exploit. And the first one is dirty cow. You know this is very famous local privilege escalation vulnerability. And also give us the address or source to download the exploit. We can copy this address and go to the browser. All right, we can download this. I think this is the C code, and we can move. Maybe I can open up another tab. Move from downloads directory. Then we need to upload this exploit code as well. And we can use the web server already being set up. I cannot remember the file name, so we just copy and paste. And how to, this C code, before we can use this exploit, we need to compile it. But how? We can cut this code. Always the exploit itself contains help. We can use the GCC compiler and output to this one. But also we need to put or use this option. We can make a copy. I cannot remember that. We can use the GCC output to exploit. And the exploit itself. And let's paste the option. Although there are some warnings, however, such warnings don't matter at all. And we can make it executable, and then we can run this binary, exploit binary. As you can see from the banner, we have already escalated to the root user. Then we can navigate to root directory, and then we can cut out the root flag. Okay, so that's pretty much it. In this episode, I show you how to do the directory enumeration and how to look for the exploit. In this case, is Python exploit, and how to review such code. And in this case, we need to modify. Not very much, but we need to do that. Otherwise, this exploit cannot work. Okay? Finally, I show you how to escalate local privilege. So that's pretty much it. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a good day.